Hi everyone, I'm in a very picturesque area. Can you guess where it is? Well, yes, this is St. Edmund School. Well, it's a very rare opportunity for me to be able to come here, and this comes part of a reason of why I wanted to come here, and that is because there are activities happening in the school. If there's something that I've always been interested in, that would be activities that would, shape kids and children to be, wholesome in a way. And one of those ways are extra curricular activities. And in St. Edmund School at the moment, what is happening is that there is a kind of a more or less like an inter-school, right? It's an inter-school competition. And in this inter-school competition are activities which are completely different from what I have always actually known activities to be. Te parlok gitu ki bamsung thu ya ka khin pareng. Ngadon ha ka jaka ka bitenat phap. Pakade ka school ke bangi khat ka St. Edmund School. Te layalam ngakwa bangan wan hi hang ni nama bangat poitep bakadong ka inter-school competition. Te beleng kalakring yang ado kata-kata bangan wan chene kalong ba kita ki competition ki ba ki pelong ka school kilong kita ki activities mo kita ki jingle akai ki ba compare.
So basically Edmundian Fest is a 3-day events where we get schools from across the neighborhood to come and participate in different events. Like you have the creative writing, then you have movie making, graffiti, sketching, salad show, flower show. Lots of activities where children can tap into their potential, and some of them will go on to pursue that particular career, if it is multimedia, journalism, things like that. It's the idea started when we first started. We had only for the singing, and it was a hit. Then I said, why not open it to other creative talents activity where the children can express themselves. So that's why we had this 3 days, and the beauty is the entire thing is managed by the children. All the children they look after. So they also learn how to organize events and become leaders, in event managers, and it's lovely to see the children taking responsibility. The entire show is done by the kids, and I'm happy that the children are empowered to do that. And leaders in every field, that's what Edmund stands for. So we want to expose our children to these kind of things. That's why this Edmundian Fest. So thank you so much.
Alright, so this is another hall, and I remembered I came here when I was in class 9 to check out the plays, and St. Edmunds have always had like beautiful plays and concerts which they hosted many years, and it's been a tradition for them to actually host a lot of wonderful skits. Now today what I saw a few seconds back is a quiz competition. Now this quiz competition is very different because when I was in school I remember quiz competitions were a lot of students sitting in different areas in different groups, and there's one quiz master that will ask the questions. But this time the quiz was different because each student had to represent each school, and they were called up in front, and they were asked questions based on their specific or strong subjects.
All right. Which major ICC tournament did India win in 2013 under Dhoni's leadership?
ICC Champions Trophy.
Correct. Before focusing on cricket, what position did Dhoni play in school football?
Goalkeeper.
Absolutely correct.
So I think this is really beautiful to know, and for me it was like an eye opener in a way because I feel this really helps students get into something which they love. So I heard that there's a swimming pool in the school, and I know I'm not allowed to enter inside, but I'll just perhaps peek from whatever window I can. Come, let's look at it. Wow, hey, I don't swimming pool.
So the entire street.
That one. Okay. Oh, masyado man panyat pan si Danro. Na masyado siya. Yes, plus. Snail bak ngam yo bangan pet ya ka swimming pool, but what I'm mga yo bangan pet kaday ya ka football field. Hey, what are they doing? Thangi yun tayo. Kaya ba itanan kalong ba? Nirung, sabangin rung siya ka kamera, kadang ka shaula, tengah thai kan hanga lada fikli hanga thai ka day the local barbecue. Kaya nasunat banyu iya kani, dengan sipit ka sibit kan lang kumino ta ka bam ka bamit na kani ka shaula. BTW school. So it's all the kids working together. Kaya bagi mo banchat entas ni kalong kebab, dengan penbu bahaya kani yok dan bajing thot. I'm such a long ticket here thing. I've been pet. Hi. So let me guess, Casey? Yes. So what are you cooking? I like it. And so she reminds me of me when I was in school. I was this shy. Okay. So is this like pork that you're doing?
Yes.
So you're gonna cut into small pieces and mix it with the.
No, this is chicken pork bamboo shoot.
Oh, pork bamboo shoot. Wow. That's something I want to eat. Pork bamboo shoot bamboo shoot lihat lampu pork ta. Hi. From which school? Huh? 7 set. You guys are doing very well in the quiz competition. This guy was so good. So what are you cooking? Huh? Chinese. Okay. So at home do you always cook? Yeah. This is nice. I never knew how to cook. Okay, when I was in school, I was a horrible cook. So this is really awesome. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Lovely to see. So what are you guys cooking?
I am making Arabian bread pudding.
Okay. That's interesting. Is that condensed milk?
Yes.
Yeah? Oh, it's whipped cream, right. So I've never heard of Arabian pudding. Bread pudding, yeah. I've never heard of it. Arabian bread pudding. This is why coming for these cooking activities, they open your eyes to something else. Now I know I'll not be able to try, but it looks really, really yum. Yeah, I feel like MasterChef judge who will never be able to taste it, but yeah. Hi, good Edmund. So what are you cooking?
We're making chicken francis, we're making panna cotta,
Okay.
and rosemary roasted potatoes.
Okay, so Italian?
Yes.
Lovely. Oh, Providence School, okay. This is Providence School, a school with a cause. I love the school. Can I guess parathas and with what?
This is
Indian?
Indian.
They eat Indian dishes in that way? Not Indian. Not Indian dishes. Okay. Chicken, Mughlai chicken. Is there gonna be chutneys also? Yeah, lovely. Hello, hi. Which school?
Very nice.
Huh?
Very nice.
Oh, Mary Rice. Good school, lovely school. So what are you cooking? Pakoras? Huh? And just them. Yellow rice. Turmeric rice. Just them. Good. St. Mary's. Hi. So what are you cooking?
We are making, so one is indigenous and the other one is international.
Okay.
For indigenous, we're taking from Tamil Nadu. So I'm making
Lovely.
paniyaram,
Okay.
which is basically like dosa.
Yeah?
And idli.
Small, okay.
Yes, small.
Okay.
And with some coconut chutney. Then my other teammates are making the Japanese chettinad.
Japanese cuisine? Lovely. Lovely. Alright. Hi. Loretto? Okay, I'm just guessing after even every table. Okay, so what are you cooking?
So we are making karang fish.
Okay, lovely.
And then pork mayon.
Okay.
And then cabbage.
The rice cakes.
Beef salad.
Oh wow, this looks nice. I like your aesthetic sense, which is really good. I think that would add to the presentation part for this cause. Kaya ka mga itunan hapo bang apit ya kani ka cooking competition. Talong ba ki Khynnah, he won na he school ba prepare. He shed ya ka bam ka bangal nga pajdip. Ma nga snow haray ba tigteng nga tip buo na has pang ka bam na mga skuna haban bam. This is something I love, and that would be cooking as well as eating. Eating is a little more than the cooking, of course. Honestly, I'll tell you, when I was in school, pag mga nang danaw pa school mo siya, Yim yo a lot pi bangin yo bangin chat wala nang stona ban chat rung yong chat tang yim yo bangin chat gino ki bam ki ba compare to hamne pade ki yo ban chat ki bam ba compare ki yo ba can hone their skills so that one day they can become good brilliant chefs also.
I'm just him.
What are you guys playing?
I've been led by Catriel and Advic to a different room, and this room is the room where they're prepping for the fancy, no, is it a fashion? Yeah, so it's a fashion show competition tomorrow. Kan ka fashion show competition na shy. Tigani ka kamera ha ba kidang penkret. Kila penkret na 2 minit. Tigani ka pin ba kani kan dei tang ka kam ka basisngi. Kari ka kam ka basin pol. No dikisngi. Kanang manyo ban pin po stage. Di hang ni ka dei ka we ka school na tharai kin sa shna yaki Kijan, Daki Khotkhobor. I think all recycled products. Let me just guess. Is it all recycled products? Are you gonna present like costumes from recycled products? Okay. This from scraps. Ah, okay. Same school, no? Okay. Yours is fabric. So what is this fabric all about? Because it looks. It's interesting. It looks like resin to me.
We use hot glue gun. I use hot glue, like a hot glue.
Wow. So you carved?
Yeah, I carved.
You carved it by yourself? Interesting. So this looks like Victoria's Secret scene because of the wings. So let's just ask. Hi. So what are you planning?
We're doing inspiration on Archangel Michael.
Oh, okay. You know what I guessed at the beginning? I said this looks like Victoria's Secrets. The Victoria's Secrets wings.
Exactly, that's what
Yeah,
I'm
no.
telling them. I'm like, if you wear this, you'll be like
Yeah,
a model.
yeah, it's completely. Are you gonna color this?
Yeah, we are gonna color it. Wait.
You're gonna add sparkles and all of that.
Yeah, some of that, yeah. Because Archangel Michael, he'll be out of the battlefield.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be all dusty, all ash.
Lovely.
His wings, his white wings.
Oh, lovely. With the
that's
whole
it.
sword and everything like that.
That's the whole concept.
Oh, are you gonna wear that dress? No.
That's for the female piece.
Oh, okay. That's what I'm saying. So what Finpong are you putting?
We're kind of doing a rope type.
Okay.
But we're not quite ready yet right now. But it'll come together tomorrow.
We'll come together tomorrow.
One of them is recycle, one of them is fabric, right?
Yeah.
So the recycle one is more of the old money type.
The?
Old money.
Okay, the old money type, which is classic. Yeah.
And then the other one is more like the Victorian times.
Yeah.
With the big gowns.
Yeah.
The fabric one is about that. That's
Oh, that's lovely. Oh, explains. So come, I think I'll look from here. Oh, is this the Victorian kind of a gown? Yes, no? The Victorian gown or the one which I was talking to the designer about? Ah, I love your hat. It's so classy. You made it by yourself? Wow. Ah, so you have a pre-made corset. Lovely. Hey, this hat is so fancy. I love it. Wow. And I love the choker. It's really good. It's just now the skirt which is missing. So, for you girls, is it something that you've always been interested in, fashion and sewing? Yeah? So at home, do you always practice it and everything? Okay. So how long did it take to conceptualize this?
Quite a time. We were shortage in time. So
Okay.
we all gathered together and we decided what we do and that's how we came up with this plan.
Okay, and how many hours did it take for you to, how many more hours do you actually need to complete this set?
A few more hours.
A few more hours. So you'll be ready by tomorrow?
Yes, we'll be ready by tomorrow.
All the best.
Most of the work are almost done, and only a little bit left.
All the best. I don't think I'll ever get the chance of entering a boys' school, and I never even got the chance also when I was in school or in college. This is the first time, and I'm mesmerized at how awesome this place looks. Also because of the fact that so many trees, greenery all around, there's space for lots of activities. In a way, I wish my school also had that kind of extra dimension towards building us, but I'm not complaining, but it is a beautiful space to actually grow up in. Alright, so flower competition. This looks like orchids. I don't know, I have no idea what the theme is. This is what I also like. It's called resilience. So it means that at least my interpretation is in a place where you think something will not grow, but outgrows something which is so beautiful, like a sunflower which exudes sunlight, and it shows that no matter how tough the environment is, you're always resilient to grow. Tidak khasi kamu ba haki jaka ba fi perkat ting ting ba pimla ba pin kiyo ba pin ban yarap ya pi hakanu kaliang ti henry nakita ki jaka ke be tam pila ba pin mi banang ta pila ban pinlong kum uta uniu sentiu ba mi haki jaka ki bam laban perkan ti yakan ya pedia itanan bahaya kan niru because namar beli yu baka kemud dak humway ki ong ba tapi pet ong mau ki ong ni mau bi ima renai ti ba ima imi ini jing itanan ki bloom. So in English, like this place, the stone may look ugly, but from something which is very ugly, something beautiful comes out that blooms. So I think it all boils down to how we look at every person, every situation, no matter how bad the situation looks like, how ugly the situation looks like, how impossible the situation looks like. We have to be strong, resilient, and something will bloom out of it. And I love how these flowers, they give a different meaning to life, and then it's a perfect reminder that there's beauty in any form. I like that other one, it's so cool. This is so nice. So these are my favorite flowers, alright? These are what I call asters. I don't know whether it is, but then at home I have the violet ones. So they've arranged it in the shape of a swan. Yes, and they call it the Enchanted Swan Lake. And this is from KC. I love these plants. They grow very well in under the shade, and it says the perfect balance of beauty. It just balances and it exudes brilliance and beauty. Tekani ka kamera kada bangi khot ka salad show te hanging in pet. Ni day Rapunzel, let down your golden hair. Squinny, near retreat. It's Melon Masquerade. This is interesting. It's called the Garden of Eden's Bounty. Te kumangitip mo karang ka ka kper. Ba Adam baru dapat kiim te hang tu menchwa te pin ba kalong shisha ka jakak ba long rich. This is so cute. This is too good. This is too cute. Ninga squinch pa pala. Ini long iskat. Ini long ki sunyo. Ini long mi Khynnah. Looks like Peter Pan's ship. The moment I entered, my favorite painter is there, Vincent van Gogh.
So here we are in the art room of St. Edmund School, and this is the graffiti. We are in the function paintings, and these are the graffitis. And then we have another category, which is cartooning. As you can see, this is made by BSF School. Sketching. And then we have proper paintings here. This has been done by watercolors and oil pastels.
So nice.
This is a portrait. And then we also have some origamis over there. These are more paintings made with oil pastels.
I love flowers. If you guys. Happy because I'm meeting one of the most brilliant dancers I've ever seen, and I just see her videos online. This is I said cat lover.
I'm a cat lover.
Cat lover. Siya kabenta ka bakham song shit kani gande ka dancing competition magin yapet kumno ki Khynnah na ki bon ki school ki participate ha ka competition. Dancing competition kadi ki aka kabanga da sngout na hadu do ban siam na mabale you ya ka dancing competition ki sim benta bun ha ki Khynnah ni gi begi school na ka ta jing shat nga yo I ba Shillong ki Khynnah ki badon ka sap ka phong te wala da ngam yo mangan keren hi ki Khynnah menta ka sngi bun na marba kila sa priang lagi jong ki jaka ndai pade ya ka ka banga message ka ban ong Khynnah P imha kata kajuk kaba don bok ha lada fikali yang amo. You live in a generation that is very, very lucky. Piyo ikilat kaba pilap and peni kisap ki pong jong pi ha ki way ha ki lat ki ba per. But kini kijing peni but kiyo iki no hikai ru ki ban pinjana ya kita ki sap ki pong jong pi kanya lam she pi ba pinyo ban jet ya kata kalan ka ba bhado. So in English, I want to say that you guys are so lucky that you have the opportunity to, pursue and show your talents in terms of what you are really good at. And because you get the opportunity to do that, because you get the teachers who helps you to, to polish your skills, in a way, these are things that will help you one day in the long run, and you can even pursue a line that you love, be it dancing, be it cooking, be it painting. Kaya ka mga labro na kani ka jingwan ha kani ka sngi kalong ba Khynnah kilong kilaway jong perthai ka jongi ti ngayu I da ka jing phu sam ki ha ka hikmat ka jong ki but nga kermen ru ngayu I haba ngayu I ni Khynnah baki start baki le ki ka ba pair nei it actually gives me hope kadon kata ka jing kermen ba ka generation ka ban one ni ka pateng ka ban one kan long aka ka ba bha tingala I bahin jonga menta tinga thai ru ka de ka por mangan snapjar na mangan abunya sa paparat the whole day ngan hab bandi sha no kani ka por mangan di sha but parlok hoi sa sin nishbun ba pila pet ya kani ka channel jonga nga kermen ba na kani ka program wala da kani ka tin pareng ru banga batay na banga rung sha ki classes bon ha ki kinang ru da tin pareng na ma bi film suthu ba kini ki Khynnah kin de tang ki khasi bo wan kini ki school ki na ki begi judge ti nga hab ban kren hi da kata ka khien ka ba ki suthu ba khoi te wala da kum ta ru ngala persang kat bangala pade bangan batai ki ba one na kita ki activities. Ti hadu bang ada siam bang pi hak we por ngatip la bun sport ha bang klampat upload di video but kermen pada ba fin smooth tunat ya kani ti bye bye, see you, time for me to have tea ketika por yang abang Disha. Bye bye. Have a good day and God bless to all the children, to all the youth out there. You are awesome.